Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel, Illumino IT, where we're helping you master Excel one function at a time. Today we're going to look at a really useful feature, which is called AutoSum. And whether you're a beginner in Excel or looking to refresh your skills, this tutorial is going to help you to add up numbers in Excel really easily and really quickly. So let's get started. Here I've got my Excel sheet, and you can see that we've got the countries in South America, and in column B we have the populations of those countries. And what I want to look at in this tutorial is how we can sum these numbers. Our goal is to quickly calculate the total populations that we have here in column B. And to do this, we're going to use the AutoSum function. Now, the AutoSum function will save you loads of time rather than having to type in your functions. And it will also make sure that the function is doing what you expect without you having to do lots of trying to understand how to write those functions. To start, let's click on the cell where we want the total to appear. And you can see here that my cell has been selected and it's B17 underneath all of the data that's in column B. And we're going to go up here to the top on the ribbon, and we're going to go to the formulas tab, and one of the first items that you see on the left is AutoSum. And so underneath here, click on AutoSum. The data will get selected for you automatically, and it's chosen, as we can see, the whole of column B. Here we can change this range. So we could, for example, decide that we don't want to include cell B16, so let's include cell B15. There's our formula, sum B2 to B15, so it's going all the way down here. Let's press enter, and there we go. And that data has now been summed for you in that column. If we wanted to choose a different range, again, click on AutoSum. This will choose that range for you. We can either manually change these numbers in the formula, or we can select here as well. Here I can select using the mouse. So as you can see, this would sum B2 to B7. So let's press enter there. Here we go, much lower number. And so as you can see, a very easy way and quick way to sum numbers. We can do that across rows, we can do that across columns, and it just means that you don't have to think about your formulas. Excel has already created it for you. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. AutoSum is a great tool. Saves you lots of time and reducing errors in your calculations. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and like the video, and we'll see you again for the next video. Thanks.